Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. My name is Sahil, I'm a death metal musician. And I'm also the author of the recipe book called Keto Life. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a 5-ingredient Keto Frittata, and this is going to have spinach and feta, which is a classic combination, so it is a spinach and feta frittata. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. For this recipe you are going to need 4 eggs, heavy cream, mozzarella cheese, feta cheese and wilted spinach. Now wilted spinach is basically cooked spinach, yeah? So all you gotta do is get your pan on the stove, maybe heat up some butter, put the spinach in the pan, and remember, spinach shrinks like 4 times its size, so a whole lot of spinach becomes a whole little of spinach. Anyway, I just like to cover the pan and let it steam for a minute or two, then open it up and just cook it till everything is wilted down and most of the water has dried up. And you have your cooked spinach ready for this recipe. The first thing I do is preheat my oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Now I get a nice large mixing bowl and I crack my eggs into the bowl. Then I season the eggs with some salt and some black pepper. Then I add in the heavy whipping cream. And then I go all Michael Jackson on those eggs and beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. After that, I add in the shredded mozzarella cheese and give everything a good mix. Next, I get a pie dish for my frittata, which you gotta make sure is oven safe, ladies and gentlemen. And then I take some butter and I use my favorite kitchen tool, which is my finger, and then I grease up that tray. Like a skilled masseuse would grease up a client for an oil massage. Oh yeah! Then I'm going to pour that beaten egg and cheese mixture into the pie dish and fill it up. Now it's time to add in the spinach, and I'm just going to place it at random in the dish. It'll be like little bursts of spinach. And a little tip, make sure you squeeze out any water from the spinach, otherwise it'll give you a soggy frittata. And then I'm going to crumble in that feta cheese. And if you don't like feta cheese, you can use any cheese that you like. But spinach and feta is a magical combination. Anyway, once that's done, it's time to put it into my oven. And I do just that. And now I'm going to cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes till it's fully cooked. And just look at that. My brand new oven with a clear glass door that allows you to clearly see what's cooking inside. Ladies and gentlemen, my brand new oven. And that's it, folks. After about 20 minutes in the oven, mine was done and ready. And that looks so good. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. The frittata is ready. And it looks like a work of art, doesn't it? And of course, your boy ain't gonna leave you hanging. So we're gonna cut into that frittata and show you the cross section. Because that, ladies and gentlemen, that is the money shot. The glorious spinach and feta frittata. Frittata, I just love saying that word. Frittata. 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 Hey folks, so it's time to taste the frittata. And look who's back. It's my dad, Mickey Makija, and I've given him some chili flakes along with the frittata because he does not like his food to be bland or not spicy.
He keeps saying, I'm back. I don't go anywhere. I'm here all the time tasting his food.
Okay, he's digging into the frittata and he's not here every time because I do some episodes without him. But I'm going to eat this like a pizza because it holds up. Spinach and feta.
There's no egg?
Yeah, it's egg. It's a frittata.
Okay, I was wondering. I said it sounds like a great breakfast idea.
Yeah, it is. You're supposed to just be able to cut slices and just microwave it and eat it in the morning.
You don't need bread with it.
So it's good?
Very good.
Well, my father has given the frittata the horns up. I don't know why I keep saying thumbs up. Horns up because this is Headbangers Kitchen and not Thumbs Up Kitchen. And I think it's awesome too. It's great for meal prep, and the combination of spinach and frittata, that gets the horns for me.
And I haven't put a single flake of chili on it. I'm eating it as he has made it. Breakfast time, no chilies, just frittata.
Awesome. And on that note, I hope you guys will make this, and I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, if you enjoyed that video, make sure you watch more of my videos, and you can click here below and watch some more keto recipes. Or if you want to listen to my music, click here. I also do some non-keto food content. You can click here and watch that.